Welcome to your very first tutorial on fingerpicking. I'm going to take you step by step, show you how it's done, give you examples of how you can use it in your playing. So come on, let's learn something new. This pattern uses your thumb, your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger. So your pinky gets left out. You're going to be using all 4 strings of your ukulele. You're going to be using your thumb exclusively on your G string. Your pointer finger is going to be exclusively on your C string. Your middle finger is going to be used, again, exclusively on your E string. And then your ring finger is used on your A string. So each finger has its assigned string, and that's where it stays. The picking pattern goes like this. Let me break it down for you. A little common vocabulary. When I talk about finger picking, for some reason my brain just jumbles up the alphabet letter names of the strings. But for whatever reason, numbers stick with me. So in my vocabulary, what I am doing is I'm numbering the strings. And so think of it as a building. And what floor is on the first floor? The string that's closest to the floor, right? So see, already I'm getting it twisted around my head. Your A string is 1, E string is 2, C string is 3, and your G string is 4. You're going to start your picking pattern. I'm going to finger a C here, C chord. You're going to start your finger picking with your thumb on the 4th string. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Try that with me. 1, 2. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. After you've hit the A string 1, you're going to go right back up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't hit the 1 twice. So it goes 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Just like that. It's very linear, just going down and back up again. So to get yourself started, I would just recommend, give yourself 3-4 days where you just coordination with just your picking hand. Don't even worry about what you're doing with the chords. Just get that coordination down until you feel like you're reasonably comfortable with it. And then you can add some chord changes. Let's do a chord progression of C 2 times, F 2 times, C 2 times, G 2 times, and then we're going to repeat that whole pattern over again. So 2 times, when I say 2 times through, I'm talking like this. 1, 2, and then you would switch chord. Okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, ready, begin. This picking pattern is not appropriate for all music. It works best with songs that are in groups of 3, and even better, groups of 6. Let me give you some examples. Amazing Grace works perfectly with this pattern. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound. Silent night. Silent night, holy night. Or, wise men say. I hope you you have a great time with your finger picking patterns. This is a great first one to get you started with. In the next one, we're going to take principles from this and apply it to music in 4. Let me know, did the handouts that I had with this, were they helpful? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you didn't get a handout, if you're just catching this online, hey, I've got those handouts for you at patreon.com, where all my sponsors get access to all my printouts. So, and thank you to all my sponsors. Oh my gosh, I couldn't do it without you. Let's go on to the next pattern.